Welcome, Jeffrey here. In this video, I'm excited to show you the research feature in Instant Author. This powerful tool allows you to effortlessly add and organize research, ensuring your book is accurate and credible. Let's dive in and explore how to add web references and documents to your project. To begin, you can add web URLs directly as references. Simply paste the URL into the provided field, and Instant Author will store it as a research reference. Next, you can upload research documents such as PDFs and DOCX files. Click the Upload button, select your file, and it will be stored in your research library. Once your research is uploaded or added, the AI will incorporate the facts and details from your research into the book, enhancing its accuracy and depth. This step ensures that every fact aligns with your research material. Lastly, Instant Author automatically tracks the sources of your research, so you'll always know where your information came from. This makes it easier to cite your sources accurately later on. And there you have it. You've added, organized, and used your research to create an accurate and credible book. Stay organized and ensure your facts are always backed up with reliable sources.